So you like the look of stainless steel pans, but you hate the way food sticks to them. Your steaks, fish, and especially your eggs. You can't scramble an egg. You can't make an omelet without it doing this. Well, today I'm going to show you a foolproof method to make sure that this doesn't happen and you can use your stainless steel pans when cooking. Today we're doing a demonstration on how to use a stainless steel pan and your food not stick to it. So the pan is hot and we're going to add some drops of water, and you notice the water is beating, yet it's still evaporating. See right here? If it's doing that, your food is going to stick because the pan is not hot enough. So we're going to let this pan heat a little more, and now we're going to add some more drops of water. You notice how the water beads up and just rolls around the pan? That's because the pan is so hot that there's a barrier between the water and the pan, which means anything you put in there is not going to stick. So now that the pan is hot enough, we're adding some olive oil. We're going to let that shimmer a little bit, move it around the pan, and now we're going to add a knob of butter. And I like to let my butter brown a little bit. Contrary to public opinion, this is not burning the butter. It is merely browning, which brings out the nutty flavor that's in real butter. Not margarine, but butter. So now that this pan is hot enough, we're going to add our eggs. And making an omelet is what we're going to do. So avoid the temptation to scramble this egg, but just simply pull the edges back and allow the uncooked egg to fill the gap that's created. This is the proper way to make an omelet. And because this pan is not underheated, it's actually hot enough, this is not going to stick. And so now we're going to attempt to flip this egg. And if the pan is hot enough, this egg will flip. It will not stick. So you see, we're able to flip this omelet. And now I'm just going to add some pulled pork that I have here just to make me an omelet. It's just for me. So I'm going to add some of that here. And then I'm going to put a little more. And then I'm going to slide this omelet out onto a plate and fold it properly on a plate. Not with a spatula, but with this pan that is not sticking. And there we have it. An omelet that did not stick to the pan. Enjoy.